Hello dear students. Today we will discuss 46 MCQ of aldehyde and ketone. These are the based on nomenclature, chemical reaction, physical and chemical property of aldehyde, Clemmensen as well as Wolff-Kishner reduction reactions. Now for this one question will come, four option will come. You have to think and you have to select what is the correct answer of this. Now first, which will be the group when carbon is linked to oxygen by a double bond. When carbon oxygen के साथ double bond से joint होता है, then what is the name of this group? It is known as a carbonyl group. So answer of question number 1 is carbonyl group. Now second questions. What is the name of a group in which two alkyl or aryl group attach to carbonyl carbon? Now it is classification of carbonyl compound. When two alkyl group attach to carbonyl carbon, then it is known as a ketone. You are knowing very well. When carbonyl carbon is joined with one alkyl group and one hydrogen, then it is known as aldehyde. If carbonyl carbon attach with a one alkyl group and second will be hydroxyl, then it is carboxylic acid. So here answer of our question is ketone. When carbonyl carbon is attached with a two alkyl chain, it is known as a ketone. Now third question, what will be the type of compound in which one alkyl or aryl and hydroxyl group are attached to carbonyl carbon? Option here है आपके सामने. Now the correct answer is carboxylic acid. We have already studied that carbonyl carbon is attached with one alkyl or aryl group. Second is hydroxyl group, then it is known as a carboxylic acid. Now question number 4. What is fatty acid, or it is also known as arachidonic acid? Option are given here. Now when carboxyl group is attached with alkyl chain, then it is known as a fatty acid. So here it is given that carbonyl group is linked with a alkyl chain. So answer is B. When carboxyl group is linked to alkyl group, it is known as a fatty acid. Now question number 5. Which group is present in the derivatives of carboxylic acid? Which are considered as a derivative of carboxylic acid? Now carboxylic acid contain carbonyl group. Carbonyl group will be present, or carboxyl group will be present. C double bond O and OH will be there. So fifth question का answer हुआ A. Now question number 6. Which product is obtained when hydrogen from carboxylic acid is replaced by alkyl or aryl group? सोचिए इसका आंसर क्या होगा. ये आपके सामने 4 ऑप्शन रहे. Carboxylic acid में से hydrogen is replaced by alkyl or aryl group, then this compound is known as a ester. This derivative of carboxylic acid is known as a ester or ester. Now question number 7 for you. Write the general formula of aldehyde and ketone. Option are given here. Now aldehyde and ketone. When you take any aldehyde or ketone, it has a general formula CnH2n. In aldehyde and ketone, as compared to carbon, hydrogen will be double and one oxygen will be there. So it has a general formula CnH2nO. Now question number 8. What type of isomerism exists between aldehyde and ketone? Option are given here. This is 4 different type of option given. Now you know that aldehyde and ketone both have a same molecular formula but have a different functional group. So they exhibit functional group isomerism. So answer of question number 8 is B, functional group isomerism. Now question number 9. Which compound possesses carbonyl group? C double bond O is known as a carbonyl group, and option are given here. You know that aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid all have a carbonyl group. So answer will be D, all the three given. Now question number 10 here for you. Give the type of isomerism between butanal and 2-butanone. अभी हमने पढ़ा that aldehyde and ketone are functional group isomer. They have same molecular formula but different functional groups. So here 4 carbon containing aldehyde butanal is, and 2-butanone is 4 carbon containing ketone. So answer of this question is C, functional group isomerism. Now this is question number 11. Write IUPAC name of methyl phenyl ketone, and these 4 options are given. आपको बताना है what is the IUPAC name of methyl phenyl ketone. Now methyl phenyl ketone accepted IUPAC name is acetophenone. It is known as acetophenone. So the IUPAC name of methyl phenyl ketone is acetophenone. Next, what is IUPAC name of diphenyl ketone? The option given are this. Diphenyl ketone. 2-phenyl ring is attached with a carbonyl group. So it is known as a benzophenone. So IUPAC name of diphenyl ketone is nothing but it is a benzophenone. Now question number 13. What will be hybridization of carbon and oxygen in aldehyde and ketone? यानी aldehyde और ketone में carbon का hybridization कौन सा है? Then answer will be, you can select any one out of this, because carbonyl carbon have sp2 hybridization. So option we can give B as well as C. By printing mistake here sp3 should be there, but here printed sp2. So you can select any one, B as well as C. Now question number 15. What will be the effect of solubility on? What will be the effect in solubility of in a water with increasing molecular weight of aldehyde and ketone? Aldehyde और ketone के molecular weight increase होते हैं, then what is the effect on solubility? You are knowing very well, as number of carbon atom increase, solubility in water will decrease. So answer will be B, decrease. Number of carbon atom increasing, solubility in water will be decrease. Now question number 16. Aqueous solution of formaldehyde is known as a blank, and option are given here. You are knowing very well, aqueous solution of formaldehyde is known as a formalin. So answer of this question is formalin. Now write application of formalin. What are the application of formalin? Option are given here. You are knowing that aqueous solution of formaldehyde is known as a formalin. Formalin is used to prepare phenol formaldehyde type of plastic known as a bakelite. It is used as an antiseptic, same as it is also used to preserve dead body of different animal. आपने बायोलॉजी में पढ़ा होगा कि biological different species है in lab, it is preserved in a formalin. So answer of this question will be D, all other. A, B and C all are given here. Now question number 18. Which substance is used to prepare aqueous solution of formalin? Here printing mistake is there, formation of formalin solutions. Now formalin is prepared with a formaldehyde, and formula of formaldehyde you are knowing well, BHCHO. It is known as a 1 carbon containing aldehyde, IUPAC name methanol, and it is known as a aqueous solution is known as a formalin. So formalin can be prepared with help of this B. Now question number 19. Which property of carbonyl group in the following? Carbonyl group की इनमें से property कौन है? Option are given here. Now you are knowing very well, carbonyl compound giving us nucleophilic addition reaction with hydrogen cyanide, sodium bisulfite, or with others also. So here we can write that property of carbonyl group is nucleophilic addition reaction. Now question number 20. Select correct statement for aldehyde and ketone. What is the correct statement for aldehyde and ketone? You are knowing very well. In aldehyde and ketone, hydrogen bond is not possible in ketone. Intermolecular hydrogen bond is not possible. Intermolecular attraction is less. So answer of this question will be D, B as well as C. Now question number 20. What is the oxidation number of carbonyl carbon in acetaldehyde? Acetaldehyde में carbonyl carbon का oxidation number क्या है? You are knowing very well in acetaldehyde. In aldehyde, if it is formaldehyde, then oxidation number of carbonyl carbon is 0. In all other than this aldehyde, carbonyl carbon oxidation number will be 1, and in ketone it will be a 2. So here it is aldehyde given. For other than formaldehyde, oxidation number of carbonyl carbon will be 1. So answer of this question is 1. Now next, what is the oxidation number of carbonyl carbon in acetone? CH3C double bond or CH3 is nothing but acetone. Now it will be a +2. Now you know very well, carbonyl carbon में oxidation number is always +2. Now question number 23. Which of the following compound cannot be oxidized? You are knowing very well, aldehyde will be oxidized into ketone, and aldehyde can be oxidized into carboxylic acid having the same number of carbon atom. Ketone can be oxidized which has a carbon atom 1 less. Alcohol can be oxidized into aldehyde. But you are knowing very well that carboxylic acid cannot be oxidized further. So answer of this question is A, carboxylic acid. Now, which of the following substance give one carbon atom less by oxidation process? We have studied that by oxidation of ketone, whatever carboxylic acid obtained, it has always one carbon atom less. So here, by oxidation of acetone, we will get a acetic acid. An acetic acid having a one carbon atom less. So answer is C, acetone. Now, what is the oxidation number of carbonyl carbon in acetophenone? In acetophenone, oxidation number of carbonyl carbon, it is ketone, so it will be answer will be a +2. Now question number 27. Which substance can be detected by using silver mirror test? Now you are knowing very well. Silver mirror test is used to detect aldehyde in a laboratory, or it is also known as a tolerance test. So by using this silver mirror test, one can detect aldehyde in a laboratory. So answer of this question is 27 is A, aldehyde. Question number 28. Which substance cannot be detected with help of tolerance test? Now this tolerance test can be used for aldehyde only. Ketone cannot be detected with help of this. So find out from this option. Ethanol is aldehyde, formaldehyde is also aldehyde, and propanol is also aldehyde. So answer of question number 28 is B, propanol. Because propanol is ketone and ketone cannot be detected by using this test. Now question number 29. What is the correct formula of tolerance reagent? Now you are knowing very well. Tolerance reagent is ammonical silver nitrate. Now ammonical silver nitrate, we can write it AgNH3 twice or OH. This AgNH3 twice. AgNH3 twice OH. This is the formula of tolerance reagent. So answer of this question is C, AgNH3 twice. Now question number 30. Which product is obtained by oxidation of aldehyde? Oxidation of aldehyde. It is observed that when we do oxidation of aldehyde, it giving us a carboxylic acid having a same number of carbon atom. So answer of this question is carboxylic acid. Now question number 31. Which substance from the following do not give tolerance test? Once again repeated pattern. You are knowing very well tolerance test will be given by always by aldehyde. Ketone does not giving a tolerance test. Now you find out which one of the following is not a aldehyde. Acetaldehyde is aldehyde, benzaldehyde is aldehyde, phenyl acetaldehyde is also aldehyde. So आपके सामने एक 31 का आंसर होगा एसीटोन. Acetone cannot be oxidized or cannot be detected by a tolerance test. Now question number 32. Which substance is present in phthalate B solution? Option are given: copper sulfate, potassium tartarate, sodium potassium tartarate and NaOH, and the mixture of above three. Now phthalate A is copper sulfate solution and phthalate B is nothing but sodium potassium tartarate. This solution is prepared in a NaOH. So answer of question number 32 is C, sodium potassium tartarate and NaOH. Now question number 33. Name the X in following equation. Now X का reduction होता है, then it is giving us ethyl benzene. Now for reduction purpose we will use zinc amalgam plus concentrated HCl. So here ethyl benzene हमें मिलता है, then it benzene ring having a 2 carbon atom containing species should be there, so it will be a B. Or this reaction is Clemmensen reduction reaction. In Clemmensen reduction reaction, this carbonyl group will be converted into methylene group CH2. So answer of this question is X is nothing but a acetophenone, B C6H5COCH3. Now question number 35 is cyanohydrin of X compound giving us lactic acid on hydrolysis. Then what is X? Now X cyanohydrin. Now when aldehyde or ketone on reaction with a hydrogen cyanide, it giving us a cyanohydrin. So now HCN will be added. तो आपको देखना है कि भाई HCN lactic acid having a 3 carbon atom. So 3 carbon atom or HCN will be added during this process. So when addition will be occur, total 3 carbon atom containing species should be there. So acetaldehyde होगा. एसिटाल्डिहाइड की न्यूक्लियोफिलिक एडिशन रिएक्शन हाइड्रोजन साइनाइड के साथ होगी, देन हमें साइनोहाइड्रिन मिलेगा which on hydrolysis giving us lactic acid. So answer of question number 35 is C, acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde on reaction with HCN giving us cyanohydrin which on hydrolysis giving us lactic acid. Now question number 36 is which substance is used for purification of aldehyde and ketone? According to book you are knowing very well, aldehyde and ketone can be purified by using a sodium bisulfite. This nucleophilic addition reaction of aldehyde and ketone with sodium bisulfite is used to purify it. So 36 का आंसर होगा D, NaHSO3. Now question number 37. Which substance are used on Wolff-Kishner reduction reaction? Wolff-Kishner reduction reaction इनमें से कौन से reagent use होते हैं? So we are knowing very well in Wolff-Kishner reduction reaction hydrogen is used and hydrogen is NaOH2 NH2 and alkaline solution will be there. So your alkaline solution with hydrogen is nothing but NH2 NH2 and KOH. So answer of question number 37 is C, NH2 NH2 KOH. Now question number 38. Write the product obtained after reduction of aldehyde. Aldehyde के reduction से हमें कौन सी product मिलेगी? Secondary alcohol, tertiary alcohol और primary और all the given above. हम जानते हैं कि भाई aldehyde है, उसका reduction हमें primary alcohol देता है. Secondary ketone का reduction हमें secondary alcohol मिलेगा. So answer of this question, by reduction of aldehyde we will get primary alcohol. So answer is C, primary alcohol. Now question number 39. Which substance are used in reduction by Clemmensen reduction reactions? Options are given here. Clemmensen reduction reaction is used to convert carbonyl group into hydrocarbon. C double bond O is converting in a methylene group. So zinc amalgam and concentrated HCl is used by us. So correct answer is A, zinc amalgam and concentrated HCl. Now question number 40. Which product is obtained in the hydrolysis of intermediate product obtained in the reaction between 2-propanone and methyl magnesium bromide? First primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, tertiary and primary amine. Now propanone. Propanone is nothing but acetone. It allowed to react with methyl magnesium bromide. So we get tertiary carbon containing species which on this intermediate on hydrolysis giving us tertiary alcohol. So इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर होगा टर्सरी अल्कोहल. आप बुक में लिखिए प्रोपेनॉन की न्यूक्लियोफिलिक एडिशन रिएक्शन विथ मिथाइल मैग्नीशियम ब्रोमाइड जो मिलेगा उसका आप हाइड्रोलिसिस कीजिए. You will get a tertiary alcohol 2-methyl propane 2-ol. Now question number 41. Which product will be obtained in condensation reaction of acetaldehyde and hydrazone in the presence of acid catalyst? We have studied that acetaldehyde on reaction with hydrazone, it gives acetaldehyde hydrazone. Acetaldehyde on reaction with hydrazone gives acetaldehyde hydrazone. So answer of this question is A, acetaldehyde hydrazone. Now question number 42. Which product is obtained in the reaction of acetone with NH2OH in the presence of H plus ion? Now acetone की condensation reaction हुई hydroxyl amine के साथ, then it giving us acetoxime. So answer of this question will be out of this four. B, acetoxime. Acetoxime will be obtained. Now question number 43. Where is the position of aldehyde in carbon chain? Acetaldehyde की carbon chain में position कौन सी होगी? Then we are knowing very well as when we write CH3CHO, तो कार्बन की पोजीशन एल्डिहाइड के कार्बन की पोजीशन होगी लास्ट में, बट हम लिखेंगे नंबरिंग फंक्शनल ग्रुप का देंगे तब उसकी पोजीशन होगी फर्स्ट. सो आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन विल बी डी on the last carbon in carbon chain. Acetaldehyde will be last carbon in a carbon chain. Now question number 44. Which substance will not give aldol condensation reaction? इनमें से कौन सा substance aldol condensation reaction नहीं देगा? और we know that aldehyde as well as ketone giving us aldol condensation reactions. तो इनमें से aldehyde कौन सा नहीं है? Then option A, methanol is not aldehyde or a ketone. It is alcohol. So according to us, ask will not give aldol condensation reaction, then answer will be A, methanol. Now question number 45. Which reaction is responsible for the formation of acetaldol in which two molecules of acetaldehyde react in the presence of dilute alkali as acid? Now question क्या है? So which reaction is responsible for the formation of acetaldol when two molecules of acetaldehyde react in the presence of dilute alkali as a catalyst? When two molecules of aldehyde react and giving us a product. Now here acetaldehyde we have taken, it is same only one type of aldehyde, and one type of aldehyde giving us a aldol condensation reactions. So acetaldol will be obtained from acetaldehyde by aldol condensation reaction. Now question number 46. Two different aldehyde with a hydrogen atom on second carbon atom undergo cross aldol condensation reactions. Now we have two different type of aldehyde, both having a hydrogen atom on second carbon atom. They undergo cross-aldol condensation. Then how many product will be obtained? The answer will be 4. 4 different type of product will be obtained. चलो अब इसका आंसर आपको कंप्लीट करके बताना है, मुझे क्लिक करना है आपको कि कौन सी प्रोडक्ट मिलेगी। यहाँ क्वेश्चन में आपके लिए छोड़ देता हूँ, आपको आंसर फाइंड आउट करके कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखना है। क्वेश्चन ये है कि नेम द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टेन ड्यू टू aldol condensation when single molecule of benzaldehyde and acetaldehyde react with each other। चलो मैं आपको बता देता हूँ कि एसिटाल्डिहाइड और बेंजाल्डिहाइड की रिएक्शन होगी तो क्या मिलेगा। आंसर होगा बी, सिनेमाल्डिहाइड। तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, टुडे we have studied 46 questions of aldehyde and ketone. If you like my work, then don't forget to subscribe.